Cooking with CanCooker, I'm your host, Seth McGinn. Today, stay with us. We're making Moose Kabobs on the conversion grill. So good. Let's get started. Today we're gonna do chicken moose steak kebabs on the conversion grill. What we're gonna do is fire up the multi-fuel. Got our conversion grill here. Using the little piece, take it off because it will get hot. Add a little water on the outside edge, the drip pan. Just makes cleanup a breeze. Got that. We'll place our grill top, non-stick, ceramic coated, back on top. Then we'll place our kebabs right on there. Look at that. The conversion grill, you just can't beat it. For diversification use, ease of clean, heats up quick, cools down quick. For somebody on the go, conversion grill. We're gonna spice it up a notch. Take a little Creole seasoning. Wrong side, that'd be a little too much. Just top coat these. Infuse that Creole flavor right in there. Ooh, that looks great. Now we'll just turn them. Look at that, nice char, no flare up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but. Man, these smell amazing. Ready to go. Look at that. Kebabs done in about 15 minutes on the conversion grill, literally anywhere. Look at that. Oh, I gotta eat more. For this recipe and many more, make sure to check out CanCooker.com.